So you're a Flutter developer, right? You've built this beautiful app. It looks great. The animations are smooth. But does it feel incomplete? Like it's missing that one thing that turns a cool demo into a professional real-world application? Well, today we're talking about that exact missing piece, authentication. Let's dive right in with something I call the authentication gap. It's that space between having a working app and having an app that users can truly make their own. Without a proper way for people to sign in, even the most amazing apps can feel, well, just not quite finished. So let me just ask you straight up. Does your app feel a little bit generic? Maybe even a little unprofessional? If you don't have a way for users to sign up and log in, you're probably nodding your head right now. And hey, that's okay. It's a super common hurdle for developers. And you can really see the difference laid out here. Without authentication, an app is just incomplete. With it, it feels complete. It goes from being generic to being totally personalized. And maybe most importantly, it goes from feeling untrusted to feeling secure. This isn't just another feature. It's literally the line that separates a hobby project from a professional application that users can actually trust. So how do we close this gap? Well, for so many of us in the Flutter world, the answer is Firebase. Seriously, think of Firebase Authentication as the secure, ready-made front door for your application. It's the most direct, powerful solution you could ask for. Okay, so let's get crystal clear on what we're actually talking about here. Firebase Authentication is a back-end service, and that's the key. It means it handles all the heavy lifting, all the security, the passwords, the user sessions. It does all of that for you. You don't have to build a complex, secure back-end from scratch. So, why is Firebase the go-to solution for so many people? Well, first off, it's simple. It integrates so smoothly with your Flutter UI, you can just keep focusing on building those beautiful widgets instead of wrestling with server code. It's also incredibly secure. You're basically getting Google's security infrastructure baked right into your app. Plus, it's scalable. It's designed to handle your first user and your millionth user without you having to re-engineer a thing. And maybe best of all, it's fast. This isn't some multi-month back-end project. It's a feature you can literally add in a weekend. Okay, let's dive into this. Let's pull back the curtain and see what's actually happening behind that login screen. It might seem like magic, but the whole process is surprisingly straightforward and honestly pretty elegant. So here's how it flows, in just 4 simple steps. 1. Your user puts their email and password into your Flutter UI. 2. Your app securely sends that info over to Firebase. 3. Firebase does its thing. It verifies the user, creates their account, and manages a session. And finally, 4, once that's all confirmed, your app unlocks all those awesome personalized features. It's really that clean. And this right here really highlights the beauty of it all, this clean separation of concerns. You, the developer, you get to focus on what you do best, creating a beautiful, intuitive user interface. Meanwhile, Firebase is in the background, handling all of that complex, critical backend logic. This separation is absolutely key to making your code easier to maintain and scale down the road. But here's the thing. Implementing authentication isn't just about checking a box on your feature list. Its real power is how it completely elevates the user experience. It transforms your app from just a tool into a truly personal space for your users. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? User experience is everything. A smooth, easy login builds trust from the very first interaction. But a clunky, confusing one, that can drive users away for good. So what does a logged-in user actually get? Well, they get access to their personalized data. They get their preferences saved. Their information can be synced across all their devices. They even get professional error handling for stuff like weak passwords. Every single one of these things builds on that foundation of trust and makes your app feel incredibly robust and reliable. And because of all this, we really need to reframe how we think about authentication. It's not just another feature to add to the list. No, it's a foundational skill. It's the gateway that unlocks your ability to build truly advanced, powerful applications. This idea is just so crucial for any developer who wants to go pro. If you want to build applications that are ready for the real world, production-ready apps, then mastering authentication with tools like Firebase, it's not optional. It's absolutely essential. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how authentication fits into the bigger picture. Look, it's step 1. It's the foundation. From there, you can build user profiles. Then you can connect to cloud databases like Firestore. And from there, you can implement amazing features like real-time updates. It all starts right here. So as we wrap up, just remember this. Authentication is the first, most critical step on your journey to building complex, professional, and personalized apps. It's the key that unlocks a whole world of possibilities. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build next?